we are seeing how to find out inverse of a matrix by using elementary operations. And we have here two types of elementary operations. One is row operation. By using row operation, how to find out? When you use row operation, first step is A equal to IA. When you apply row operation, you have to apply on A and you should apply on I. And this A, you have to apply elementary row operations, and then A you have to turn to I. Then this I becomes automatically A inverse, because this is A remains same. This A remains same. This A remains as A only. Okay. When this becomes A becomes I, here, first of all, this is a matrix equation. A equal to IA is correct. Yes or no? A equal to IA is always correct.
Yes, sir.
So here A we are transforming to I. Then I becomes automatically A inverse. Here you get A inverse. Okay, that's what is the process. But when you apply column operation, when you apply column operations, what you do? You start applying like this. A equal to AI. You apply column operations on A, and this you transform to I. Then automatically you apply on A and I always. So if you want to apply row operation, I you have to take on left hand side. If you want to apply column operations, you have to take I on right hand side. And then A you keep as it is, and you apply column operations on both A and I simultaneously. This I automatically transforms to A inverse. You get A inverse here. Okay, like this you get A inverse. Okay, hope you are clear with this. And then now we'll take example. We'll take same example. Let's take A equal to 1, 2, 3. For the sake of easiness, I will take here also some 2. Okay. We'll take 2 or we'll take here 5. Just a minute, we'll take it here 5 so that it will be easy. Okay. Right, like this. Okay. Then we apply elementary column operations. Elementary column operation. If you apply elementary column operations, so what is the condition? First you should write like this. First what you should do, you should write A equal to AI. What is A here? A is this. 1, 2, 3, 5. Yes. So I would like to take one small change here. One small change. What I will do is here, we'll take here 5. Here I will take wantedly I am taking here. This will take as 1. This is 1. So here it's 5, and here it is, like here it is 1. Okay, this is 1. Okay, like this will take. Okay. So why are we taking like this? You know, this is A. Okay. This is A and this is I. This is 1, 0, 0, 1. And here A, this A you are not disturbing at all. Okay. We have to apply on here and here. We should apply on A and I. Okay, A you have to transform to I. A you have to transform to I. That is the thing. So that means this 5 you should make 1 first. How to make this 5 1 you see. How to make this 5 1. So you should apply now what? Column operations. You that you understand properly. Column operation. This 5, how to make this 5 1. With the help of this is column. This first column. This is what is second column. Right, first column. So now column 1 I have to transform. Column 1 I have to transform to column 1 minus 2 times column 2. This is what we can do. Column 1 plus column 1 minus 2 times column 2. This is what is the operation that we can apply. And now this column 1 is changed now. This I should not write same thing. 5 and 3. 5 and 3 is column 1. This is changed. How it is changed? C1 minus 2 C2. C1. Now 5 became what? 5 minus 2 times C2 is 2. Cn. C2 is 2. Corresponding to this 5. C2. This is C1. This is C2. C2 here 2 is there. So this becomes what now? 5 becomes what now? 1. So you write here 1. See, that is the reason we have done this. 5 I want to make it 1. 5 minus 2 times 2 is 1. Now that is the reason I did this. C1 minus 2 C2. You got this point? Hope you got this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is it. Now this 3 becomes what now? This 3 becomes 3 minus 2 times C2. This is C1. 2 times C2 is 1. So this 1. This becomes also 1. Now this 2 and 1 is same. But whenever you apply on both sides. This A is same here. This A is same, and here I will change. This I will change. I will change. How it will change? How it will change? It will change as C1 minus, and that is 1 minus 2 times 0, 1 only. Now 0. 0 becomes what? 0 minus 2 times 1. Yes or no? C1 minus 2 times C2. 2 times 1. That is minus 2. This is 0, 1. This is same. Now what I do? This one first you should make 1. Then this one you should make. This one you should make 0. This one you should make 0. That is the thing next. This one you should make 0, or this one you can make 0. Either you come like this, and then this, and then this. Okay, like this also you can, or you can come like this also. First, 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also you can come. Like this also you can come. But you should follow this order either like this or like this. Order you should follow. Okay, now this one I am making 0. How to make this one 0? Okay. Or how to make this one 0? How to make this one 0? 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. How to make this one? So this one, making this one 0 is easy because this is 1. So what I can do is C2 I'm changing now. C2, this row, this column I'm changing. This column I'm changing. This column. So this one I have to make 0. How to make 0? C2 implies C2 minus 2 times C1.
Minus 2 times C1.
Yes. So that is now what will happen? This 2 becomes, now C1 is not changed, you see. 1, 1, same. This is changed. C2 is changed. How it is changed? C2. Now C2 is what? 2 is there. 2 becomes what? 2 C2 minus 2 times C1. Minus 2 times C1. C1 is 1. So 0. That's the reason we did this one. Then how it will change? This 1, how it will be changing? 1 becomes what? Now 1 becomes 1 minus 2 times C2 is, here C1 is 1. So this is minus 1.
Minus
So
1.
0, then 1, 1, 0, then 0, 1. Now we have to make this one, you can make 0. This one you can make 0. Okay, this one anyway minus 1 is there. This one you can make 0. Okay, but you have to apply here. This side also. Don't forget to apply this side. That's the main thing. Okay, now
yes.
C2 is changing. 1 minus 2. C1 I wrote as C2 is changing. C2. Now this 0 and 1 is going to change. 0 becomes what? 0 becomes 0 minus 2 times 1. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
This 0 becomes 0 minus 2 times 1. Yes, sir? No. This 0 becomes 0 minus 2 times 1. Minus 2. Then 1 becomes what? 1 becomes 1 minus C2 minus 2 times C1. C1 is what here? Minus 2. You able to get now? This becomes 1 plus 4. That's 5. So now I made 1, 0. Then 0, 1. This one we can make 0. This one we can make 0. This one we can make 0. How to make this one 0? This one will not be changed. This one remains 1 only. This one how to make 0? How to make this one 0? Simple. This is C1, Anna. C1. Column operations we are applying. C1 implies what? C1. How to do this C1? What to do to make this one 1? C1. This one we should add or what to do? This one plus this one only, na?
Plus, sir, add.
Plus C2.
C2.
Make 0. C1 plus C2. This one simply should add. That's it. C1 plus C2. Okay. So now it is going to be C1 is going to change. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So 0 minus 1. This is same. This is A is same. And this you are going to write it. This you are going to see. Now C1 implies, very simple. C1 is, this is C1. C1 implies C1 plus 1 minus 2. 1 plus minus 2, -1. And then next year, -2 plus 5, 3. Shall I write directly? 3. Yes or no? This is what is C1. Now C2 is not going to change. C1 only change. C2 is minus 5. Minus 2, 5. That's it. Minus 2, 5 is same. Hope you are clear. Now
Yes.
this one we are transforming to I. Na? This is minus 1 is there. How to make this minus 1 as 1? How to make this I? So very simple. This is C2, hai na? This C2. C2 you have to do as C2. KC2. We have what are the transformations? C1, C2 you can interchange. I'm again explaining. And C1 you can make as KC1 or C2, CI you can make as KCI. And then CI you can make as CI plus K times CJ. These are the 3 operations you can apply. Okay, now C2, K is what? Minus 1, because here minus 1 is there, you have to make it plus 1. So multiply with minus 1. So C1 is not changed, C2 is changed as C2 into minus 1, 0 into minus 1, minus 1 into minus 1. Now this is A. Now here also we have to change. Minus 1, 3, save. This is 2 minus 5. Now this is I, this is A. What is this? This must be. This must be what? This is I, na? This we made I, this A. This is A inverse.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, A inverse is here minus 1, 2, 3, minus 1. This is what is A inverse. Hope you got this one.
Yes, sir.
If you apply row operation, you understand. A into A equal to I into A. And here, this A you are transforming. Actually, you are not doing anything to I. A you are transforming to I. But when you apply row operation, you have to apply on A and I. Okay, I is on left hand side and you have to apply A and I. So if you transform, you apply row operation on A and I, and you transform A into I, then automatically I will be transformed to A inverse automatically. Because here if it is I, if it is A, then this must be A inverse. Similarly, when you want to apply column operation, A is here and I is on right side of A. Okay. This A you are transforming to I, then I becomes A inverse automatically. Here you get A inverse automatically. So now this we have done with, we have seen 2 examples. Okay, 2 examples we have seen, and these 2 examples are, you can see these 2 examples 2 by 2 matrices. And here, very important here, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 matrix, this is most important. 3 by 3 is very, very important. Okay. So now we'll take one 3 by 3 matrix and then we'll do 3 by 3 matrix we'll do.
Yes, sir.
So here, whatever example is there here, I am taking this example so that we can have this reference. And I thought okay, this is easy. Okay, I thought this is a simple example. We would like to take a simple example. Okay, we would like to take this 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 3, 1, 1. This only we will take.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, we will take fresh page. And here we are taking example like this. A, let's say A is 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. This is what we saw. Okay, hope this is what is the example. 0, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1. Yeah, that's the example. Okay. Yeah. So now this is, so we apply row operation. First we see this example with row operation. So when we do row operation, what is the condition? First you write the equation, matrix equation. A is always equal to IA. And like in real numbers, 1 into A, like this. This A we are making, 1. How do you make? 1 by A into A. This is 1 by A into 1 into A. So this is now, yeah, sorry. This is gets cancelled like this, it is like this. So this is 1 by a into a. So 1 by a is what is inverse, like that. Just to
Yes, sir.
so here we are transforming this now a. So now we'll write a. So 0, 1, 2. This is little lengthier because here 3 rows and 3 columns are involved. So this is I. We should write I 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And this a is as it is. We are applying on a and we are applying on I. So now this one 0, you have to make 1 because here 1 0 0 1 like this. So how do you go about it? This one you make 1 first. This is 1. Now second step, this one you have to make 0. Third step, this one also you have to make 0. Right? So 1 0 0 0 1 0 like that you have to make 1 0 0. This is how you should go. Okay. Other way if you go, there is a problem. Okay. Understand? So how to make this one 0, this one 1, this one 0? How to make this one 1? Here you should make 1. है ना? A वाला 1 करना है, A वाला 0 करना है. So कैसे करना है? मतलब हाँ this one 1 करना है, this one 0 करना है. कैसे करना है? How do you do it? How do you do it? So interchange R1 R2 interchange करना है ना. So interchange R1 and R2. Very simple. This one goes up and 0 comes down. 2 rows. These 2 rows you are interchanging. Second row you are making first row you are making second row. So karo that one. 1, 2, 3 and voila 0, 1, 2 and this one is 3, 1, 1. Okay. So 1, 0, a wala 0 karna hai next step. So now this one you make, this one also, that's very important. You are playing on both here and here. Here you make, this one is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Third row we are not disturbing anyways, as of now. This is the first step. You understood? So what are the operations? Again, row operations. What are the row operations? Ri, Rj. So 2 rows can be interchanged and any row can be multiplied with a constant and any row you can transform as Ri plus Krj. These are the 3 operations. Okay, so interchange is required here. Very simple. How do you make this 0, 1? Interchange. Here already 1 is there. So interchange is a very simple process. Okay, so now this one 0 ho gaya na. So 1 isko karna hai first step mein. So second, this one 0. Third, this one is 0. How do you make this one 0? So this one, how do you make 0? With the help of 1. Where is 1? Here is 1. With the help of this one you have to make 0, which is already there. This one you have to make 0. How do you make this one? 3, 0 with the help of 1. 3 minus 3 times 1. Like that. Isko. So you take the help of this. Okay. Third row like this. R3 implies R3 को change करना है. So R3 implies R3 minus 3 times R1. है ना? R3 minus 3 times R1. Yes or no? Once you see. Yes or no? 3 minus 3 times 1. This is R3. ये वाला R3. ये वाला R1. So R3 minus 3 times R1. 3 times 1. हो गया. So here you write R3 है ना 3. 3 क्या होता है? 3 minus 3 times 1 है ना? This is 0. 1 becomes what? This R3 means 1 na? 1 is here. Corresponding to 1, 2 is there. 1 minus here 3 times 2. Okay, the next 1. Here this one becomes what? 1 becomes 1 minus 3 times 3. You write 0, ये वाला minus 5, ये वाला minus 8. So you can write, well, R1 is not changed. We know that. 1, 1, 0. Here we are. ये वाला 1. Just a minute. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 है ना? 1, 2, 3. ये वाला 0, 1, 2. ये वाला 3 है ना? 3 became 0. 3 became 0. A 1 becomes what? 1 becomes 1 minus 6 is minus 5. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Minus 5, minus 8. This is what happened. Then next, this will change. This is same. Now, how it will change, you see. So, row 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, not changed. But this is going to change. R3 is going to change because we have played R3. No? This is going to change. So, therefore, I will write 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. But R3 is changed. How it is changed? 0, 0, 1. 0 becomes what? 0 minus 3 times 0. Again, next 0 becomes what? 0 minus 1.
Yes, sir.
3 times 1. Now 1 becomes what? 1 minus 3 times 0. Yes or no? You see here. 0, 0 minus 3 times 0, 0 minus 3 times 1, 1 minus 3 times 0. Okay, that's what is R3 and this is R1. I think you are getting idea, right? So,
Yes, sir.
minus 3, this one is 1. Like this, you are applying R3 means the entire, you have to apply from here to here. Whole thing on both sides should apply. Now, the next thing is, this is already 1 is there, you see. And 1, 0, 0. Next, what you should do? 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. ये वाला 0 करना है. So,
yes, sir.
I told you this is 1, 2, 3. Step number 2 इसमें जाना है. So 0, 1, 0 बनाना है. So this is 1. That's the helpful actually. If it is 1 already, it's easy to make this one 0, this one 0. So this is already 1. So with the help of R2, okay, R2 help, you should take the help of R2. So then R1 you change. See, I'm applying on R1. R1, how will I apply on R1? R1 implies R1 minus R1. Okay?
여기서 들어먹는 데가 아니야, 이 집이요. 집에
Minus
맞다연을 계속해.
2 times R2. Okay, this you understood, no? And you understand this one becomes 0, no? R1 is 2. This one you check with this. This one you have to make. 2 minus 2 times 1 is 0. Yes or no? Now, how do you make this? This one 0, 5, 0 you have to make. 5, how do you make 5, 0? 5 is in R3. R3 is R3. R3 plus 5 times R2. ये करना है. So R1 is changing. 1 minus 2 times 0, 1. 2 minus 2 times 1, 0. 3 minus 2 times 2. 3 minus 2 is 4, minus 1. R2 is not changing. R3 is changing. R3. This is 0 plus 5 times 0, 0. This is 0. And this is 8. 8 becomes 1. Yeah, minus 8. R3, you have minus 8. Minus 8 becomes what? Minus 8 plus 5 times 2. See, minus 8. Okay, R3 plus 5 times R2. So this becomes 2. Like this. See, 1, 0, 0, then 0, 1, 0, then 0, 0, 1 karna hai next step. But you have to apply on right hand side. That don't forget to apply here. That's very important. R1 is changing. This R1 is changing. How it is changing? R1 minus 2, R2. 0 minus 2 times 1, minus 2. 1 minus 2 times 0, 1. 0 minus 0 times 2, 0. So R2 is not changing. 1, 0, 0. Getting or not? R3 change. Yes, R3 is changing. 0 plus 5 times 1. 5. 0 plus 5 times 1. Okay, 0 plus 5 times 1. 5. Minus 3 plus 5 times 0. Minus 3 only. Then 1 plus R3, 1 plus 5 times 0. 1. Like this. Now, so 1 0 0, this is the process. 1 0 0 करना है first. 1 2 3. Second step में इसको 0 1 0 करना है. Then next ये वाला 0 0 1 करना है. ऐसा 0 0 1. So how do you make this one 0? How do you make this one 0? Okay, this one 0 तो easy कर सकते हैं. Here only we will do. This one 0 करना है तो easy. This one you can make 0 easily. This one you can make 0 easily. Because with the help of this. But if you take the help of this one you cannot take help. If you take the help of this one will come and sit here. This will be disturbed. 0 1 0. You should keep 0 1 0. Therefore, better is to make this 2 1 first. This 2 you should make 1. This 2 you should make 1. How to make this 2 1? How to make this 2 1? That's important. But if you, this is very important not to disturb these two. These two columns you should not disturb. 1 0 0 0 1 0 you should not disturb, because with we made this one, we wantedly made 1 0 0 0 1 0. So therefore we should not disturb. Therefore the only way, if you take -1 and you add it here, then 1 will come and add it here. Then 0 plus 1 1, this becomes 1. Therefore what you should do only way is C, sorry, we are using our row. So R3 becomes R3 by 2, 1 by 2, K R3. कर सकते हैं? Yes or no? This one you make 1.
Yes, sir.
1 0 0, you make this one. 0 1 0, then 0 0 1. So you make this one 1, then it becomes easy. Okay, to make this one. Otherwise, what you can do is this 2 you can use, and this one you can make 0. And also this one also you can make 0. That's not a problem. But better is first only you make this one 1. So 1, first you make this one 1, then make these 2 zeros. Then make this one 1, make these 2 zeros. Make this one 1. So make this one 1, then this one 1, and then this one 1. So this thing, if you make 1, then these 2 can be easily made zeros. So this is what is the step we are taking now. Okay, this is 1 0 minus 1 not changed. 0 1 2 not changed. 0 0 2, R3 is changed. 0 by 2, 0 by 2, 2 by 2 1. This is the reason we did this. Then next, this side also will be changed. How it will be changed? R1 same thing, R2 same thing, R3 changed 5 by 2, and minus 3 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. This is how it is changed. Voila. 0 0. This A is A. Hope you understood. The next step is you have to make this thing. You have to make this thing 0 and this thing 0. Yes or no? This thing 0, this thing 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
How to make this thing 0? With the help of R3 only. That's the reason we make this one. With the help of R3, how do you make this R1 0? This one 0, how do you make? Come on. This one, what you should do? With the help of 1, this -1, you have to make 0. How?
Add it.
Add it. So, what we should add? R1, we have to transform to R1
Plus R3.
plus R3. That's it. Okay. So, how to do? And okay. So, this one, how to make this one 0 then? With the help of R3 only. R2, how to make 0 with the help of R3? Minus 2 times R3, hai na?
Minus 2 times R3. Yes, sir.
Right. So now first we'll apply R1 plus R1 plus R2. So these two add same thing, 1 only, 0 plus 1. Sorry, this R3, 0 plus. See, that is the reason. These two zeros will not affect these two. This will not be disturbed. So 1 plus 0, 0 plus 0. So these two will be same. This will be 0. Yes or no? So now it will become like this. 1 0 0 ho gaya. 0 1. This is 0 ho gaya. And this is 0 0 1 ho gaya. Understand? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And then these two, if you do, then this also applied. 0 minus 2 times 0, 1 minus 2 times 0, 1 only, 2 minus 2 times 1 is 0. Over. Now here we should do, that is the thing here. You see, here we should do. And this one also you should do. These two you should add, these two you should add, these two you should add. If you add these two, 5 by 2 means 2.5 minus 2. See 1 by 2. Yes or no? Minus 2 plus 5 by 2 means 2.5. Na? So 0.5. So 0.5 means 1 by 2. This is 1 minus 3 by 2. So 1.5. This is minus 1 by 2. Like that. So first is 1 by 2. Next is next 1 by 2. So what do we get? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So here we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, this is 1 by 2, this is minus 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. Now R2 is also changing. R2 is changing. How it is changing? R2 implies R2, that is 1. 1 minus 2 times 5 by 2 is 5. Yes or no? 1 minus 5 is minus 4. And the next 0 minus 3 by 2, that is 3. 0 plus 3 is 3. Like that. The next is 0 minus 2 times 1 by 2 is minus 1. Minus 1, like this. And then this becomes 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. 5, 3, 1. 5, 3, 1. Liख 5, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 3 by 2 whole. Okay, now 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Because R3 we are not changing, R1, R2 only we change. Hope you got this one. Now this is A. Now this is I. And this is what? If this is A into what it should be? What is this then? This is I. This is A. Then what it is? What is this? This is A inverse. And therefore, the conclusion is A inverse is 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. And this is minus 4, 3, minus 1. And this is 5 by 2 and minus 3 by 2. And this is 1 by 2. Okay. This is what is A inverse. So we applied row operation. Row operation. So if you apply column operations you apply. Column operations you apply, what will happen then? If you apply column operations, what will happen? Column means what to, how to start? A equal to AI. Apply on A and apply on I. Take the same example and apply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one is a homework you can do. Oh, hope you understood, no?
Yes, sir, this part.
Okay, this is a major thing you have. Major thing.
So now I should do column operation as homework.
Yeah. This one we finished now. By using column operations, you can do one problem. So
Yes, sir.
same thing. You see, we did this one, and same thing you can do with column operation.
Columns. Yes, sir.
So here, this one we did. See, this one we did. So we have reference. That is the reason. Answer also you can check. That's the reason we have done this one. So with the help of this column also you can do, and then we have this exercise. See, using elementary transformations, find the inverse of each of the. Find the inverse of each of the matrices if it exists in exercise 1 to 17. That means what? Sometimes it may not exist. That you will understand. Okay.
Yes.
If you do that, you will understand. Okay. Right. Then we will do doubts discussion of doubts in the next class.